Hello beautiful people. Today we're gonna do a look that just came to my mind. We are going to do a lightning-esque look, so let's get into it. First, gotta put up our hair like a unicorn. You know the drill. First up, I am going to put on my color correcting primer, Believe, on my cheeks, forehead, chin, and then we're gonna rub it all in. Once that's set a little bit, to get it a little tacky, we're gonna take our damp beauty blender and our foundation, and I put it on beauty blender, and you know, tap it right in. Next, we're gonna go into our concealers. Mine being CoverGirl. We're gonna put a little under the eyes, not like normal, on the nose, forehead, and this little red spot that I got on my chin. Blend out the red spot with my finger. Still prominent. And then back in my beauty blender, I'm gonna blend out all this concealer. After that, we are going to take our setting powder, and with our big fluffy brush, we're gonna set the entire face down, just so it looks more matte and less shiny. Next up, we're gonna take this brush and go into our Parquet Princess and take a little bit of this princess cut and just a little on the forehead, a little on the jawbones, and now the neck. Then we're gonna take this brush right here, and we're just gonna blend it out. And then with this brush right here, we're gonna go into that same shade. We're gonna put it on the nose for a little bit of a nose contour type thing. I'm gonna go into the same brush, and we're just gonna blend it out. Now we're gonna grab the same brush that we used to put it on, and we're gonna get some setting powder right on the button and on the bridge of the nose. Then we're gonna brush it off. Just want it to set there a little bit. Next, what we are doing is we're gonna do the eyeliner. I use this eyeliner, Master Precise from Maybelline. Next, we're gonna go into the Blend Bunny Cosmetics Blinds palette, and we're just gonna go into this light purple called Giggle. Have it under the eye, and you just want to drag it down. Next, we're going to take this blending brush, and we're just going to blend that purple out a little bit. Then we're going to take this smaller brush back into the blends palette, and we're going to go in with this purple shade called Science. I'm just going to kind of trace over where we put that extra purple. And we're gonna blend that out a little bit. And I know it looks really crazy. It's probably gonna stay that way, let's be honest. Then let's take this little brush we're gonna use our concealer. Just dip it in the concealer and carefully trace where you want. And remember, no lightning's perfect, so none of your lines need to be perfect either. And then you do the exact same thing you did on this side. On this side. Then you can take a little brush, or you can just use your finger and try to have it a little bit make sure to wipe your finger off if you're using your finger, or wipe your brush off if you're using a brush, so that you don't get your concealer all over and like that. But if you do, that's okay too. Lightning sometimes has things like that, we'll say. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna take that flat small brush, we're gonna go into my Revolution highlight palette and take some of the white, and we're gonna try and just put a little bit over where we have our lightning marks. And once you're finished with that, we're gonna blend it out just a smidge. So after that, we're going to go into my Peachy Elf blush right on the nose, because we want to look like Rudolph, you know? And we're going to blend it out a little bit. Now I'm going to take this Rainbow Crystals Liquid Mineral Strobe Liquid Highlighter. I'm going to put it right on next to my eyebrow. Don't need much either. Right next to my eyebrow. A little on the button of the nose. And on the bridge of my nose. And we're gonna blend it out with my finger. And then we're gonna go back into my highlight palette. Grab a little bit of that white. Right in the corners. And take whatever brush you use for highlight. Just pat it in a little bit. And I'm going to be using my Lasting Fix setting spray. We're going to fan it out so it dries a little quicker. Next, I'm going to take my Total Temptation mascara. And just apply it to all of my lashes. Then we're going to take my Tint Eyebrow Gel. We're going to brush up those lashes. After that, I'm going to take this NYX Black lipstick and just put it on. And that is the finished product. We are going to take down the hair, maybe. The hair's kind of appropriate. It looks like I was just in a storm. But that is my finished look for the day. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, please comment, like, subscribe. It means the world to me. If you don't want to, you don't have to. It's free will and all. So I just hope you liked the video because I'm learning. I hope you're learning with me. Thank you so much. Have an amazing day. You're epic.